How Safety Management Systems, SMS, enhance aviation safety. In aviation, safety isn't just a policy, it's the foundation of everything we do. Today we're exploring how Safety Management Systems, or SMS, are transforming aviation safety, from maintenance hangars to the skies. What is the history of SMS? The concept of safety management systems began in the late 20th century as industries shifted from reactive safety measures to proactive risk management. This evolution accelerated for aviation in the 1990s after major incidents that highlighted the importance of addressing human and organizational factors. By 2013, the International Civil Aviation Organization introduced Annex 19, Safety Management, making SMS a global requirement. SMS in Australia. In Australia, the Civil Aviation Safety Authority, or CASA, requires all approved operators and maintenance organisations to implement SMS. This includes organisations under Parts 119, 145 and 139. CASA's approach is performance-based, meaning each SMS must fit the scale and complexity of the operation. The 4 pillars of SMS. Every effective safety management system stands on 4 basic key pillars. These pillars are policy, risk, assurance, promotion, policy, defines leadership commitment and accountability. 2. Risk management identifies and controls hazards before they cause harm. 3. Assurance monitors ongoing performance and verifies controls. And 4. Promotion builds awareness, training and communication to strengthen the safety culture. Benefits of SMS. An effective SMS delivers real benefits, from enhanced hazard awareness and compliance with CASA regulations to stronger safety culture and reduced incidents. It also builds trust with your workforce, your customers, and your regulators. Proactive, compliant, reliable, safe. The shift to safety management systems represents a new era in aviation, one where prevention, culture, and data-driven insights work hand in hand. At Jatori Aviation, we believe that safety isn't a cost. It's an investment in performance, compliance, and trust. We help organizations develop, audit, and enhance their safety management systems in line with CASA and ICAO standards. Contact us today to strengthen your safety culture and build a safer, more compliant operation. Jatori Aviation Consulting. Compliance. Safety leadership. www.jatoriaviation.au. Support at Jatori Aviation, AU.